time now for the gal, I'm up in the place. Yeah. The sis come through, get a squad, some space.
Hey Amour Gang, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Shay Amour, and I am back with a new video. So today's video will be me showing you guys this install of this new wig that I got from divaswigs.com. This is the box that it came in. It has very nice packaging. The wig that I will be showing you guys is their Jessica White curly full lace wig, and I got it in a color number 4. So the details on this wig, the wig name, if you guys are interested in ordering, is CEC001. It is 100% Brazilian virgin hair. The length that I got is an 18-inch. And like I stated before, the color is a number 4, so it's like a medium reddish brown color. The hair density is 150%. The lace color that I got is a medium brown, and the cap size I got is a petite. So the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and get into the install of this beautiful wig. So what I'm doing right now is just pretty much prepping my hair for underneath the wig. I usually wear my hair in a low ponytail, and then I apply a wig net on top of my head. So the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and place the wig on my head, see exactly where I need to cut the lace. And of course, after I cut the lace, I'm going to go ahead and lay the front hairline of the wig down. And I just will be using just a little bit of the Got2b gel. The wig fit really snug to my head, so I really didn't have to apply too much of the Got2b gel. I just kind of adjusted the adjustable straps in the back and then placed the combs in place, and that was about it. So on this part, I'm really not going to be doing too much talking, because I will be coming back at the end of the video and giving you guys my initial review on this wig, basically my experience with this wig. So definitely keep watching.
Get down, girl. Ain't nobody tell you nothing. Yeah. And if they try to tell you something, tell them find some stairs or run up. Cause I ain't tryna be nobody, body. I ain't tryna tell you how to live your life. No. You do what you have to, I know that it's hard. On the low, bounce around 2 different jobs. But you have to do what you have to know. A closed mouth don't get fed over here. But you have to do what you have to know. No, closed mouths don't get fed. I hold that stays in your head. Think about it lying down and you better not. Baby girl, I know you do, and I know you have to. It's so unfair, when they judge you. Oh, no, just tell them that.
Done installing the wig, so we're gonna go ahead and get into the details of this wig as well as my review. So the density of this wig is about 150%. This wig, it's like it looks full, but it doesn't feel full, which is really good. It's not heavy at all. The hair is actually really light. They do state on the website that the wig does come with bleach knots, but I didn't see that the wig that I got came with bleach knots, but I did notice that the lace color is a little bit transparent, so you can easily go in with your face powder, concealer, or foundation and make the lace match closer to your skin tone. And as you guys saw in the previous clip, I basically went in with the face powder and a little brush and went ahead and applied the powder onto the lace. Even though I do have my wig in the color number 4, they do offer other colors. If you guys want like jet black, off black, I believe they do have like a reddish brown color as well. So if you guys wanted to get this wig in a different color, you can definitely choose that on their site. So what I'm going to go ahead and get into now is like the pros and cons of this wig, basically like my overall review or initial review on me installing this wig. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and get into is the packaging. I really like the packaging that the wig came in. As you guys saw, I did show you exactly how the wig came to me. This is the box that the wig came in. I really like how they had it like nicely wrapped inside of the box, and then I also like the fact that it did come with a paddle brush as well as a wig net. That I wanted to talk about was the quality, texture, and feel of the hair. Now I do like the quality of this hair. I don't have really too many complaints about that. The texture of the hair, I love the curl pattern of this hair. I do love it more towards like the root of the wig versus the ends. I did notice like when I first got the hair, the curl pattern was like very defined, but then once I went in with my brush and apply water, I really thought that the curl pattern was going to get even more defined, but I noticed that it doesn't give you that type of look with this type of curly hair from Divawigs. I'm not for sure if it's because I just only apply water. It might be a little bit different if I was to apply water as well as product or some type of curl defining product, but I really wanted to do like the bare minimum for this wig, especially for my wig wearers that are not really into or really don't know how to install a wig versus someone that is really experienced with installing the wigs. I hope that makes sense. So yeah, so I really do think that with this type of hair you would probably have to apply some type of curling product if you want like the curls more defined. If you don't, if you like to rock it the way I'm wearing it, you definitely can by just using some water and a Denman brush, or you can even use like the paddle brush if you want like your hair more with more volume and it to be a little bit bigger. But yeah, so the feel of the hair, the feel is very, very soft. It's very soft towards like the hair on the hair shaft, but then when it gets to the ends, I do notice that the ends feel a little bit dry. I might have to go in and kind of trim the ends off because I did apply some water, and you would think that, you know, the water would create some type of moisture, but I still feel like the ends are a little bit dry on the wig that I received. The wig that I have, it is a full lace wig. Now when I say full lace wig, that means that you are able to part the hair anywhere you want. If you wanted to like wear the hair in different styles, you definitely can, versus the lace front wig where you only have lace in the front of the hair versus the full lace wig where you're supposed to have lace all around. Now I do notice with this full lace wig that the color of the lace around the rest of the hair versus the front is completely different. I think like the lace material that they use is completely different. So it would possibly be a little bit difficult for you to wear this wig as a full lace wig because the lace material and the lace color is just like completely different. I'm gonna try to see if I can show you guys. Like towards the front, it's like a really thin lace, but if you was to like part the hair in the middle, which I'm gonna try to show you guys right now, it's like really, really different. So that's how the lace looks. I won't be going and wearing this wig as a full lace wig because I think you have to put a lot of work into making the lace look like a realistic scalp. So I pretty much feel like I'm gonna go ahead and just rock the wig as is. The next thing I want to definitely get into is the color. As you guys know, I wear all colors, it doesn't matter, and I thought that, you know what, let me go ahead and try out their number 4 color, which is pretty much like a brownish, like a light brown mixed with a dark brown color. Now the thing with this color is I feel like it matches too much to my skin tone, and it is making me it very difficult for me to wear this hair with a part, because it's so close to my natural skin tone that it doesn't even look like I have a part. And I've tried in different areas. I tried a part over here, I tried a part over here, I tried a middle part, and it just wasn't working for me at all. So I just feel like I will probably just wear it as a no part wig. I think it looks pretty fine with the no part wig, but like I said, the color matches so much to my skin tone that it's crazy, and I cannot wear it as I want to wear it, because I would have loved to wear this hair in different styles, but I can't. Now, don't get me wrong, I do love the color. I think it will probably look better on someone that does not have my skin tone, okay? But I do love like how they mix the colors in. It's just not like a one color, it's like 2-3 different colors to make their number 4 color. The last thing I want to get into, of course, is does this hair tangle and shed? Now, when I first started brushing through the hair, I did get a lot of shedding, but once I went through the hair again with the brush, I didn't get really any shedding at all with this hair. Now, tangling, I do get a little bit of tangling with this hair. Yeah. So with this curly hair, yes, I do experience tangling. We'll see how it goes when I go in and wash the wig, because this is basically like straight out of the box install. So I have not washed this hair. I will definitely go in and wash it to see if I still experience tangling with this hair, but so far really no shedding, but I do experience a little bit of tangling with this hair. So you guys, that is about it for this quick install slash initial review on the Divawigs that I received. Like I said, this is their Jessica White wig, the CEC001, but I'll put all that down below. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos if you haven't subscribed already, and once again, I will see you guys in the next video.